how we are going to do that. So the weekly activity is to use iLearn. I will log in to let you know how our class looks like soon. And you will have weekly readings, weekly assignments. The point system will be available to you during each assignment. Each assignment you will come with the point system and grading criteria. So the criteria may be quite simple, sometimes just evidence of participation, but more extensive on certain assignments, and that will be available as a rubric. So let me try to open you have trained, you were trained on the iLearn, right, already?
Yes.
Okay, good. So if you go to, it's still logging out from Karen. I think Karen logged in yesterday and it's never really closed. Yes?
I have a question on grading in the forum. So is it going to be in kind of an absolute one or relative one? For example, somebody has time, he or she can post 100 or 50, and
The grade for this class, and this is true for most of the MIST classes, is not norm-based, it's criterion-based. So that means that if everyone is A, everyone is A. I will not norm you. It's not MBA courses. Usually in MBA courses that they have to put on a curve. Like 5% has to fail, or like 5% has to A minus, or things like that. But in my class, no, it's criterion based. So as long as you passed the certain criteria, you got that grade.
So I think what I'm understanding her question, if one person posts 10 times a week, is that the criteria for posting? And I think what Dr. Su is saying, it's the quality of the posting, right? It's not.
Yeah, it's not the quantity. And
yeah,
of course.
Would be a norm.
Oh, thank you for clarifying. I will ask, for example, you to post one posting, okay? And then you reply to 2 people's postings. That means you have 3 entries for that discussion, right? And that's it. And if you had the really good quality of 3, you got A, 100%.
So you can't say, oh, that was interesting.
Oh, Chris, can you please, I think you are disturbing the students at the back. Thank you. It's really odd. It's not allowing me to log into iLearn, which we have to.
I couldn't log in last night.
I think this last night around what time? So this is the interface you will be seeing, but not as an instructor. As an instructor, I have all these control bars. So I will turn on the class, so you will be there soon. So I will. This class course is available to students. So now try that. You should be able to see.
So we need to just refresh the screen?
Yeah. Refresh your home page on iLearn and you will be able to see my course.
Yeah.
Right? Okay, great. So when you go in, this is a banner image that just will stay there for the semester. And then I have an Ask Your Instructor forum, and I will be checking it every day. So you just click on here. If you have any question that is, you think is common to, or some other students may have same questions, you will just come here and add a new topic. So that way I will see it and I reply to that. So please check this at least once a day. Ask the instructor, even if you did not post anything, you should check it.
Yeah, some people are.
You can search for it, but it's not.
Did you go on to iLearn and?
I logged in.
Okay. Don't worry about now today about that today. I mean now, because it's not that critical. We will make sure that you will be able to log in after this.
If you log out,
Okay. Why don't you log out and log in again?
Click
Okay.
log out.
There it is.
The refresh didn't work, but the log out.
Okay. Good. That's good to know. If you just refresh, it will not work. You have to log out and log back again. And then the course syllabus, course schedule, and the 3 handouts I gave you already here. And this is the mini report format. And I will be adding other handouts here as well, such as the paper 1 requirement or assignment, and final exam, study guide, and things like that will occur here. And if you scroll down, every week will occur here. This is the first week. Every week I will have a lecture. So if you go into lecture, I will always have a PDF, because sometimes if you just want to know what I talked about, you need to go to the PDF, because my detailed explanation will occur in the notes section, not in the PowerPoint slide itself. So if you, for example, if you go down on the slide, you may just see what up here, but in the notes section is really the things I talk about the slides. So this is one format that I will go is PowerPoint. And there is another format I may use. Just want to make sure that you will be able to use it. If I'm going too fast, and if you are not following, let me know.
No, it's not you.
No, sometimes it's really me, because I tend to talk very fast and talk to myself. So if that happens, just let me know.
Okay, thank you.
I just want you to know, sometimes I use the brief presentation, what you call. And if you click on that, this is from my last semester. I just want you to show you.
Welcome to the second week of multimedia for instruction.
So you will be able to see each slide. I'm actually talking, but if you want to see the notes, you click on here. It will show the notes I'm talking. So you will be able to. It's more like one-way communication to you. And sometimes I will make it when I see a need, and other times, if I don't think it's necessary, I will just make PowerPoint. And sometimes even no PowerPoint, just notes.
Dr. So do we have to download something to see brief?
No, it's not.
Okay.
It's in order to see that, you just need to have a browser. You just click and it shows up.
But it would be on this list here. If you're just showing
Yeah,
us it was
it
just
will
a different
be-
format, but it'll be part of that
Yes,
list.
I will
Okay.
always list here all the lecture notes. Okay. So